Now, specific depends. When pathogens are able to bypass innate depends, the adaptive immune system is activated. Cells that belong in the body carry specific marker that identify them as cell and tell the immune system not to attack them. So the body has a property that it identifies its own cells and don't attack on its own cell. But when any invader enter the body, the immune system attack on it and then destroy them. Specific depends the adaptive immune system. Once the immune system recognizes a pathogen as non-self, it uses cellular and chemical defense to attack it. The specific defense system acts by two mechanisms. One is cellular and the other is chemical defense. After an encounter with a new pathogen, the adaptive immune system often remembers the pathogen, allowing for a faster response if the pathogen ever attacks again. Once this mechanism has a specific characteristic that when it is produced against any organism, it remembers that organism and it produces chemicals, antibodies, or cells against that organism. And when that pathogen enters the body again, the system recognizes it quickly and attack it upon it quickly and destroy it. So this is the beauty of this system, and on this basis immunization, we give the vaccine, we vaccinate a person for certain diseases like polio, hepatitis B, measles, and diphtheria, tuberculosis. In this system, by this vaccination, we produce a specific defense mechanism, and by this way, we allow the system to recognize these pathogens when they enter the body. Cell or antibodies is present in the body and they attack on them and destroy them. Specific immune response. This is a cellular, the immune system responds to antigen by producing cell that directly attack the pathogen. Suppose this pathogen has occurred when cellular response occur. This is actually by B cell, and these B cells are activated. Then the B cell take two ways. They produce two type of cell. One go and directly attack on the pathogen, produce antibody, and these antibodies attack on the pathogen and destroy or neutralize the antigen. And on the other hand, they form memory cells. These memory cells has the capability to recognize this pathogen. It will enter the body again. So these cells are present in the body. They recognize them and attack them, and in this way it is prevented from the severe attack. Specific immune response. Specific immune response are triggered by antigen. Every pathogen, bacteria, virus has antigen on its surface. Antigens are usually found on the surface of pathogen and are unique to the particular pathogen. Every pathogen has a different type of antigen on its surface. So, the specific immune response produce specific proteins called antibodies. These are the antibody discussed in detail in another separate lecture. To an antigen in attached cell that will engulf and destroy the pathogen. So if this is antigen, it is the antibody attach it and neutralize it. Here you can see that this is the Escherichia coli, and it is called by the uh, molecule of antibodies representing the immune system or a vaccination. This is a 3D illustration of antibody which surround the specific these Escherichia coli. So this was just introduction of the immunity. We will discuss non-specific and specific immunity in different lectures, and also the complement system. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for in time notification of any update on the channel. Thank you once again.